Hello. Take the first example. Pre-order is given and in order is given. Okay, within the pre-order is nothing but first root and then left, then right. So in the in order, the first element is the main root node of the tree. Okay, so we will take that element as the first root node and find out this element in the in order. Okay, within the in order, the A is in the fourth place. Okay, so this is the node and that we need to place it in the root, and left of the A are the left subtree and right of the root A are the right subtree. So D, G, B are the left subtree nodes and H, E, I, C, F are the right subtree nodes. Okay, now we need to find out what is a root node within the left subtree and what is a root node in the right subtree. Okay, for that you can check the pre-order. Within the DZB, the B is first. Okay, then D, then Z. So B is first. So write the check the B where the B is in the in order. Okay, B is at the adjacent to the A. Okay, B is here, and for the B we have the two letters, that is D, G in the left side. Okay, there is no values to the right of the B. Okay, that is nothing but B has only left subtree, there is no right subtree. Okay, so whenever you are checking these two sequences, okay, find the root node from the pre-order and find the left and right subtrees from the in order. Okay, so we are taking a B from the pre-order, so B is the root for the left subtree, and for the B in the in order we have only two letters D, G in the left of the B. There is no values right to the right of the B because A is already the root node, and in between the B and A we don't have any other nodes, any other letters. So D, G are the left of the B. Okay, now draw our next tree A, and left of the A, that node is the B, and to the left of the B we have the nodes are the D and G. Okay, D and G. Okay, now check for the D. Okay, within the D and G, okay, D is first. In the pre-order sequence, D is first. So D is the root node of that. And check within the in order. Okay, here the D is there and G is at the right of the D. Okay, there is no left value for the D and there is only one right value, that is the G. So for the D node, the right value is the G. Okay, so now draw the next tree as A, B. B is the left subtree, and for this D is the child node, and for this D the right is the G. Okay, so now this is the left subtree for our tree. Now I will check for the right subtree. Okay, from the HEICF, okay, find out which is the root node for this right subtree. Okay, from the HEICF, okay, check this part of the tree from the in order HECEHIF. Within this, C is first. Okay, that is nothing but C is the root node for the right subtree. Okay, now find where the C is in the in order. Okay, C is here in the in order. So HEI is the left and F is the right of the C. So HEI is the left and F is the right of the tree. So here is the HE and I. Okay, HEI. Okay, now from the HEI find out the node for this particular subtree. From the HEI, okay, here in the pre-order the HEI is the HEI, these three values. Okay, within this E is first, then HI. So E is the first, that is nothing but E is the root node for this particular subtree. Okay, and within the in order E is here, the E. Okay, so for the E, left is the H and right is the I. So H is the left node of the E and I is the right node of the E. So now draw the tree as Okay, E is the root node for this subtree. So H is the left of this E and I is the right of this node. Okay, now this is our construction of the binary tree using the pre-order and in-order. Okay, if you are giving the pre-order or post-order, from that you can take the root nodes which are required to be constructed in the binary tree. From the in-order you can take the left nodes of that particular node and the right nodes of that node. Okay, that you can select from the in-order. And from the pre-order or post-order you can select the root node to be used in the construction of the binary tree. Okay, check this and do the another example once.